one year it was so short that this guy that lived in this upstairs apartment, he carried his couch down. He sits the couch down, and he sits down, and it was over.
Oh my god. When I was living in San Diego for a while,
Yeah.
and they had this. They always have a big show over there, but it was the year where they lit everything all up at once. I don't know if you ever saw that in the news. Like the fireworks show ended like within a minute. They literally lit everything all at once.
Why did they do that?
It was an accident, but like it was like the greatest display of fireworks
I
ever.
bet.
Yeah, it was pretty amazing.
I wish I was
didn't
there.
record that.
Wow.
You were a baby, a tiny little baby.
I wish it was there.
Yeah, they messed up. It was like thousands of dollars of fireworks, and they all went off at once. One big old explosion, bro. It was savage.
Mr. Beast be like pathetic because he lit the world's most expensive fireworks. They literally had to shut down all air travel just for that video, and it was to celebrate 4th of July.
Yeah.
So like all airlines traveling to his location had to be shut down. And trust me, some of those were loud.
You should have just been live on YouTube instead of trying to.
It won't let me.
Why?
It just won't. Try going live on your phone right now. And unfortunately, Twitter won't allow like something kind of like Facebook Live.
Oh.
I think it's reaching the end. Patriotic flags. I don't know if you guys can see this, or hear this, and you're still not deaf. But wherever in the basement and how many fireworks there was. I think they just did a San Diego on us. Dad, I think they just did a San Diego. My ears. Yeah, they just pulled a San Diego on us. Oh, it's mosquitoes, Dad. Look out. The sky's out. You gotta pull like a San Diego with this. Is that it?
That was pretty freaking badass, dude.
And that was our fireworks show for 2021. Come back next year for even another one.